Want to speak English easily? Let's learn step by step. Hello, viewer. Welcome to Learn English with Grandma. Do you know the names of things in your kitchen in English? Today, we are going to learn them together in a very easy way. Let's start. This is a bowl. We use a bowl for soup, rice, or cereal. Repeat after me. Bowl. This is a bread knife. We use a bread knife for cutting bread easily. Repeat after me. Bread knife. This is a butter knife. We use a butter knife for spreading butter or jam on bread. Repeat after me. Butter knife. This is a chef's knife. We use a chef's knife for cutting and chopping food. Repeat after me. Chef's knife. This is a cup. We use a cup for drinking tea, coffee, or water. Repeat after me. Cup. This is a cutting board. We use a cutting board for cutting vegetables, fruits, or meat. Repeat after me. Cutting board. This is a fork. We use a fork for feeding like noodles, pasta, or salad. Repeat after me. Fork. Fork. This is a glass. We use a glass for drinking water, juice, or milk. Repeat after me. Glass. This is a grater. We use a grater for shredding food like cheese or vegetables. Repeat after me. Grater. This is a knife. We use a knife for cutting food like vegetables, fruits, or meat. Repeat after me. Knife. This is a mandoline. We use a mandoline for slicing fruits and vegetables quickly and evenly. Repeat after me. Mandoline. This is a mug. We use a mug for drinking tea, coffee, or hot chocolate. Repeat after me. Mug. This is a paring knife. We use a paring knife for peeling and cutting small fruits and vegetables. Repeat after me. Paring knife. This is a peeler. We use a peeler for removing the skin of fruits and vegetables. Repeat after me. Peeler. This is a plate. We use a plate for serving and eating food. Repeat after me. Plate. This is a slicer. We use a slicer for cutting food into thin pieces. Repeat after me. Slicer. This is a spoon. We use a spoon for eating food, like rice, soup, or dessert. Repeat after me. Spoon. This is a tablespoon. We use a tablespoon for eating or for serving food. Repeat after me. Tablespoon. This is a teaspoon. We use a teaspoon for eating small amounts or for stirring tea and coffee. Repeat after me. Teaspoon. This is a whisk. We use a whisk for mixing and beating ingredients like eggs or cream. Repeat after me. Whisk. If you want to speak English fluently, don't miss the next lessons. Follow and subscribe now for more videos like this. And don't forget to practice every day. See you in the next video. Bye.